What's up, y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be trying these new headband wig. The headband wig that I received is going to be from CurlsCurls. This is one of my go-to companies when it comes to natural hair texture extensions. As you can see in the box, it comes with your standard combs and clips on the side. They also provided you a pamphlet just in case you're one of those beginners to wearing extensions and you don't really know how to care for the hair or what type of products to use. They have that in the manual for you. And then as you can see, this is the wig that we are going to be trying. I love how well constructed this wig is. It does come with the 3 combs around the front of the hair, and then around the perimeter of the back it comes with an elastic band as well as another comb to make sure you can secure your wig, sis. Like, we're gonna make sure you secure the wig, okay? And then as you can see around the front part of the wig, there is the headband piece. Now the standard headband piece that comes on the wig is just a black piece, and it has the Velcro strap around the back. Not sure if it's included or not, but they have this cute scarf. Y'all, this scarf is just, I love the colors together. I love this scarf, and I just love scarves and headbands. As I also have some other headbands just laying around the house as well that I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna pair with the wig so that you can see. So let's get started. As you can see, my hair is slit back, you guys. I think I have like 7 braids in the back of my head. It don't even matter. You finna just put your wig cap on and that's it. If you would like to wear a wig cap, you really don't need to, but I would suggest that you do, just to push this part of your hair back, you know. And I gel my edges down. I use some Eco Styler gel and Got to Be Glue styling gel, and just, you know, slicked it back a little. So this is the wig, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on. I'm going to situate it. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks, and then I'm also going to style the wig and show you the products. So I'm about to speed the rest of this video up and add some music for you to vibe to. Okay, so stock tracks. I'm gonna be honest with you, this actually looks really good. I did not define the curls. This is the hair straight out of the pack. I didn't have to wash it because, to be honest, it has a really nice smell to it. So there was no reason for me to wash it. But y'all see this? Look at the curls. The curls and then the vibes is already giving me, like, the way I have my edges already down. I just push this back a little bit. And this is what we are already working with. Y'all, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna stop, take a few pictures, but I am gonna show you how I define the curls just so that you can see it for yourself. But this wig is already a yes, go get it now, because of how natural it already looks, and you don't really have to do too much to it. Like, yes, I'm in love. yeah, you guys, I am in love with it. As you can see, this is what we are working with. I did go ahead and just use my blow dryer to just dry the hair. Look how juicy they are in this Lotta body. I'm telling you, this works so good for curls. This is my go-to for curls. Y'all, I might sound like I'm all over the place, but that's because I'm actually shocked at how great this hair is. It's so soft, it's so full. I love the fact that I didn't have to worry about any tangling. I didn't get any shedding with this hair. I didn't have to worry about washing it when it came out of the box. And I think that's just a go-to style when you don't have to worry about putting too much with the hair for you to actually wear it. I would choose this wig over the clip-ins any day. If you are a mom on the go, or you're somebody that don't like to spend a lot of time in the morning on your hair, this is going to be the wig for you. We don't have to worry about trying to blend our closure or our frontal with the top part of our head. We don't have to worry about trying to put the clip-ins in or trying to get the hair to look good when we wake up late in the morning, or if we're on the go trying to run errands or do whatever we're trying to do. Once you define the curls and you use this finishing, I was about to say finishing spray, but once you use this foaming mousse, I'm telling you, the way this hair feels, and what I love so much about this foaming mousse is that it doesn't leave a crunch on your hair. So you know how sometimes you use like a regular mousse, it leaves an actual, you know, the actual hardness on your hair. And so that's the reason why I didn't show y'all this, but this is another one of my favorites as well. This is a mousse that I normally use, but when I felt how soft the hair was, I was like, oh yeah, this styling mousse is going to be enough. I don't need to add the extra hold mousse. I can just do this light hold and we're gonna be good to go. So I know y'all are dying to see me put the headbands on. I'm going to show you exactly what the headbands are looking like. And they also have some gorgeous scarves for you to choose from. I only chose one because of the simple fact that I have a few other headbands in my house already. So with that being said, that's the reason why I did it. A few ways you can wear it with the scarf. And yeah, y'all, I'm putting all the information down in the description box. Y'all go run and get y'all one of these wigs. I'm telling you, this is a wig that you want to have in your wig closet. No doubt about it. This is it. This is sis. I'm telling you, this is it.